Dear friends, I hope you are doing well. I am Arsalan here, Zhang Robot. This video is a very common question that many people ask after we added the Galaxy Robot to our collection. And that is the difference between the Star Robot and the Galaxy Robot. For those who want to join, they say, which one is better? Let's get a Star or a Galaxy. Why? In this video, I want to. Let me explain two of them to you and tell you the reason why these two products are the way they are. The decision is yours. Which one is right for you? I think I can help you a lot. Let's go through Telegram together. I swear, we'll get a drink. We'll put the inverter on Telegram here. This is the Star Robot right now. That's right, the Star Robot, whose logo looks like this. Has training videos and so on, and so on. First of all, it costs more. Our algorithm works more for you. It means that the price was $11.70. It was $570. It was $370. It is now $270. Depending on when we are watching the video, the prices may be lower, but that's what makes it expensive. Muslim. I would like to ask you why Sadara Herf is better? Because you define strategy for Ashani. As you can see here, it says strategy 1, 2, 3, which I explained in full. What is the definition of strategy? And the robot waits for you to attack it. That is, in our star, we have a combination of artificial intelligence and human intelligence. There is an artificial intelligence that analyzes and finds entry points, and there is a human intelligence that checks the analysis of the artificial intelligence. That is, these two signals came at 3 p.m. and 2 p.m. I didn't trade it. Why? Because I wasn't sure. There are good signals. We have to see what the result will be, but I didn't trade it. Now I want to trade it. I'll click on it and trade it for me. But in the robot, the star is waiting for your attack, so it's a bit more complicated. And there's also a good thing about it. You can trade it in the star. For example, use your one strategy for long positions and your two strategies for short positions. Why do I say this? Because the market has three states, either bullish, bearish, or bullish. When bullish, it doesn't make much difference whether your long and short positions are different. You don't have this option in Galaxy. In Galaxy, you define a strategy that says, every signal Tesla sends me, with a profit limit of 1, a margin of 1, with a leverage of 10, for example. With a margin of $10, it doesn't matter whether the position is long or short. Long sets the profit limit higher, and if it is short, it sets the profit limit lower. It executes exactly what you told it to do. But sorry, I got a bit sidetracked. The thing is, when the trend is bullish, the take profit for bullish positions should be larger compared to bearish trends. With the Star Robot, you can write your own strategies, and since the Star Robot is more flexible, you can define them in a way that allows for larger or smaller take profits. You know what I mean? That's why the Star Robot is better for someone who is also an analyst and has trading experience. They can leverage its power. What's the advantage of the Galaxy Robot? The Galaxy has a precise risk and capital management system that doesn't allow you to open multiple positions at the same time. You might notice that it doesn't execute 5 simultaneous positions for you. It automatically opens positions for you. It just does its thing. And he comes and says the skin is ready to be opened. Sleep at 2 in the morning. 3 in the morning for you. Let me show you. For example, I traded at 6.5 in the morning and 5.5 in the morning. Then the management takes the risk. If the margin is low, it says, it does a series of things automatically. And this is automated in exchange for the fact that your accuracy will be lower. If you are a regular trader, if you are not a regular trader, then no, the hack is also suitable. But if I say regular, I mean whether you have a trading history or not. And now you have $1 million in trading. So, in general, for traders who want to get their hands on the robot, they know what the trend is. In the Saudi trend, they want to take a larger profit limit for their longs. In the downtrend, they want to take a larger profit limit for their short positions. This is a good idea, and it also has a single algorithm, meaning you can get a single algorithm at a very low price. Instead of 4 robot assistants giving you signals somewhere, one will give you one. With 4, you get about 30 signals a day, and with 5 to 30. With one algorithm, you get 6 to 7 signals a day. The Galaxy robot automates everything, including the desk and capital management system. It's true that you can create your own strategy, but it closes a series of positions at the same time. It has a daily loss limit, for example. This is what the Galaxy has. It doesn't have a star. It has a maximum daily loss limit, which means you come to the Galaxy robot. This hacker has a section called Risk Management. In the Settings section, click on it. It says, say how much you want to lose. Between $1 and $1,000. For example, you say $3. Now, I remember this is an example. Let me speak English and you'll be my slave. You put 3, and it won't let you lose more than $3. That is, if your loss reaches 3, now open a position. If it has 1, it might go up a little more than $3, but it won't open a new position for you. And that's good because you're involved in your own star. At some point, your emotions might hurt you. Go and liquidate your account in one day, but don't see it here. For example, he says to him, Sir, I don't trade more than $1 per day. Now, with the positions you have in the game, for example, your dollar per trade can be $6, $7, but nothing strange will happen to you. These differences that I have with you depend on you. In my opinion, if you have a trading history, star is good for you. And take the star. Its signal is very similar to all the signals in the Galaxy. It has more, which means the number of watch lists is larger. For example, in the star, we have about 20 or 2 widths. We start with this. In the Galaxy, it is 30, and the same 4 algorithms for the number of widths are used. My suggestion is that you can use the star for a while and check the different strategies in the star. You will find out for yourself which strategy robot is better than the other strategies. You can even get help for this. I will show you this. In both robots, there is a reports section that you can come here. Return to the main menu and click on the reports. The best strategy has been in the last 7 days. Both the star and the hack are based on their win rate. I made a separate video of Brown. Be sure to watch it. This was a good strategy. It was 13 minutes on the screen, and it was also a star. You come up and down in the star. You find the right strategy. You understand which algorithm suits your trading style. You figure all this out. And for example, you can go to the Galaxy next month because you know this way. You already know that Teslas have always been better with this strategy. For example, for me, now this week, because it changes every week, you can also do the market. Maybe even daily. But once you get the hang of it, with the Star robot, you can trust all its automation, like the Galaxy robot. You can just tell it to go ahead and do its thing. First, start with the Star robot. Play around with it using a small investment and see how it performs. Once you get the feel for it and figure out the tricks, hopefully you'll make some profits and enjoy it, just like everyone else. That's my heartfelt wish for you. And because these are just tools, you define the strategy. You know what they say. With this tool, one person makes a profit and the other person loses. If you come and trade, enter full margin, set a loss limit, take 10% leverage, and the liquidity level will be reached. You know what I'm going to do. This means that these are a series of tools that will help you trade quickly and accurately. You don't just use VPM, you just write down your capital management, you force it to burn. You know, according to that strategy you said. These are tools that help me with my work. For example, like this microphone. I could record with my laptop's built-in mic. But the sound quality is worse, and it picks up more background noise. You might hear the creaking of the chair, or other sounds. But that's the whole point of having tools. You can loosen a screw with your hand, but it takes forever, while using a screwdriver makes it quick and easy. In short, this is a tool for you that makes your work faster and easier. That's the gist of the whole thing regarding the Star and Galaxy robots. I think you should give it a star first, unless you're sure. You saw the videos, you said no, I want to hack them, it's great. We'll do a lot of work from the first day they hacked them, the first day or two. They got the strategy and tested the strategies, and neither knew what the story was from being a snake trader. And then we went and changed all these robots. You can change your strategy. There's a limit. No, we can change his face 50 times a day. and the fact that you can turn the algorithms on and off. For example, say, Team 45, I don't want to give you a signal. Right now, I just want to give you Tesla and Ikimoku, because in different market conditions, these things change. That means it's very much up to you. And the menu is also very easy. You saw that on Telegram. I gave them my laptop, but here it comes to your phone. That means everything you have on Telegram comes to you there. You can also call our phone. In short, make sure you take the time to watch all the videos on the product page before you get these robots. It won't take much of your time. Just sit down for half an hour and watch them. You'll get a better understanding of how to use them systematically. My suggestion is to do that. And since it's afternoon now, I hope you have a good time watching the video. Take care.